Hello, thank you for joining me. Going to begin sitting comfortably with a straight spine. And we're going to rub our hands together to create some heat and friction. Close our eyes, gaze into third eye, and take a few deep breaths. When you're ready, bring the hands to stillness at the heart center. We're going to begin by creating a sea of ohms together, chanting ah, oh, ooh, in any parts of these sounds. So in the sound of Om, we have all sounds of the universe, and this sound helps us to open our heart centers and to connect to all life through the portal of compassion and love. It also helps us to open our throat chakra. So moving with the rhythm of your own breath, please join me. We'll chant Om about 5 times together. Taking a deep breath in, hold the breath, align yourself. Shambhavi Dristi, third eye gaze, squeeze Mulaband, engage Jalandhar Band, hold the breath. And as you're ready, release. Letting the hands relax down. We're going to start with the right ear towards the right shoulder and slowly moving into neck circles. See how this feels for you. Very slow, very aware. As the head comes back and the throat opens, we lift up through the third eye and through the chest to lengthen through the neck. If this feels uncomfortable in the neck, then just come to half circle, side, forward, side. Making the choice that is best for you in this moment. Inhaling as the throat opens. Exhaling as the throat is compressed. Gently reversing directions. We're going to inhale Ra, Ra, and exhale the mantra Ma, Ma. Inhaling Ra, Ra. Exhaling Ma. The divine masculine and the divine feminine, Ra and Ma, weaving together balance and unity and creativity. Coming to center and stillness. Turn the head and look towards the left, inhaling Ra And turning towards the left, exhaling ma. Coming to center, inhale. Bring the hands to heart center, apply the locks, hold the breath, squeeze, focus, contain, and release. We're going to bring the hands into bear grip, so palms facing one another, either hand can be in front, and you're going to grip the hands together. So you just bring the fingers to grip and the thumbs just rest onto the hands. We're going to hold this bear grip right in front of the heart center, and we're going to pull as we do breath of fire. Halfway breath in to begin. Still getting so much medicine with the pulling of the hands, pulling firmly, tension, you feel the pressure building. Push all the breath out. Release the tension in the hands. Inhale deeply. Holding the hands in this mudra, but relax, squeeze Mula Bandh, engage Jalandhar Bandh. Dristi, third eye, Shambhavi Dristi. Hold. Everything in your body is expanded. There is no tension, but there is awareness and aliveness everywhere. Notice the angles and the triangles, the sacred geometry of your body. And release, shake it out. Bring the hands to Gyan Mudra, resting them, palms facing up on the knees. Closing the eyes, Shambhavi Dristi, third eye gaze, and breath of fire. Find your own pace. Push all the breath out. Hold it out. Become the emptiness. Inhale deeply through the nose. Hold the breath and apply the locks, sealing it in. Root lock, neck lock. Third eye gaze. As you're ready, release. Again, another deep inhale. Applying Mula Bandh, Jalandhar Bandh, and Shambhavi Dristi. One more round. Holding as long as it's natural, applying the locks, sealing in the prana. Shambhavi Dristi takes us into the stillness, the eye of the storm. Just become the witness, observe all the energy and motion that is happening inside, and be the stillness, the witness. Shake it out. Bringing the hands back to bear grip, perhaps reversing which hand is in front. This time we're going to hold it relatively relaxed but firm, and we're going to move it like this as we do cannon breath. O mouth, breath of fire. the breath out, bring the body physically to center. Inhale through O mouth. Hold the breath, squeeze Mula Bandh, Jalandhar Bandh, and engage in Shambhavi Dristi. When you exhale, you'll exhale through O mouth. Hold the posture. Again. Hands right out in front of the heart center. Create the sacred geometry. Notice and feel the triangles, the angles, the hands in a sacred circle swirl, connecting all parts of you, bringing balance. Shake out the hands, shake out the arms. Hands to Gyan Mudra, palms facing up. One more inhale through O mouth. Fly the locks and hold Shambhavi Dristi. Again, as you exhale, you'll release through O mouth. Hold as long as you can. Shaking it out. Releasing any tension. If you're sitting on a pillow, take it out from underneath you and set it to the side. Open the legs into a big, wide A-frame. A big V. And we're going to reach for one leg and inhale up to center and then exhale to the other side, letting the toes and the feet be flexed, reaching out just beneath the ball of the big toe. The hands are supportive, so the hands can really do what they wish. They can move side to side or just stay connected to the shins, the legs. Continue now, point the toes. Inhale, center. Exhale, each side. If you start feeling too lightheaded, just make the breath slower, half time the pattern. And one more time each side. And inhale, center. Hands to the heart. Squeeze the locks. Hold the breath. And release. Bringing the legs back to Sukhasana, cross-legged posture. We're going to circle in Sufi grind, starting clockwise. Chest moves forward and to the right, back and to the left. Really trying to open the rib cage here. Inhaling forward, exhaling back. Let the head and neck also join the spiral. And reverse directions. Inhale, come to center. Hands to the heart center. Apply the locks and hold. And release. Take your left hand behind you and your right hand across to the opposite knee and twist. Big belly center breaths. With your next inhale, release and switch sides. Looking over the shoulder. twisting all the way through the neck, the whole spine spiraling. With your next inhale, gently coming to center. And closing the eyes. Bringing the hands to prayer position at the heart center, bowing inward to the divinity of your creation, to the majesty and grace and power of your presence within yourself that is infinite and ever expanding. Within us is a part of the great mystery, a part of the magnificent creation, the matrix of intelligent wisdom of the universe. And we are bowing to this part of ourselves, the inner wisdom, the inner knowing. Namaste.